Lync Operator Console can be controlled in a number of sections. At the top, you will see a Microsoft Windows control, further divided into various subsections. The first one being Call Control, which will allow you to manipulate existing calls. The second being Call Functions, which will allow the sharing of caller ID and elevating to conference status. A section for our add-on phone books, which will be covered later, including the My Address book, Active Directory phone book, and Global Address book. The response groups, viewing which calls are in the queue and how long they have been there. You also have the setting to mute and unmute yourself, which will toggle in your existing Lync client. The ability to manage exclusions if you do not want to see particular extensions visibly. The task scheduler option, which can create an automated calendar reminder to make a call back. It can also be used to set up a server automated call, which will call you and other users, for example, to initiate a weekly conference call. And the final option in the main ribbon is the Help option, which will launch the remote support, allowing our technicians to help repair your console through TeamViewer. The Settings tab of the ribbon will show a number of things. You have the option to open the settings page to dictate what database you are pointing at, whether you are in standalone or the client server mode. You may change your update settings, which should be left alone unless under special circumstances. You may also change various display sections. The Data tab will allow you to modify your cache, allowing you to refresh your picture or your data cache. If you have been given permission by your administrator, you may edit location objects, directory groups, and have access to your user actions log, detailing various call controls that have been involved with your user, such as answer, hang up, and transfer. The heads-up display is the black box located in the upper left corner of your console. It displays many things related with your Lync account, such as your picture, your changeable status, and your changeable personal note, and of course, your name. Any changes done in either the console or the Lync client will reflect in the other program, eliminating the need for back and forth between programs. The heads-up display shows you various call details about the current call you have selected. Since there is only one call, it is the call that is selected. When answered, it will show things such as the call status, which is talk in this case, the call timer, the caller ID number, the name, and in the top right, a caller ID picture. You will note that as the call status changes, so does the background of the heads-up display. Running this call through a hold and resume will see the colors change from green for answered, blue for held, and then back to green for an active call. If we now transfer the call from our heads-up display to another user, and then have it transferred back, you will see various call details that were not available before, such as who transferred it. And this has been the heads-up display and settings section of the demonstrational video.